Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So like you can probably already tell by the title of the video, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a few clothing pieces that I got from FableStreet. I came across FableStreet recently around a month ago and they are an amazing brand. Everything at their site is just so amazing. So I thought I had to try them out because they are an Indian brand and obviously I want to try out all of the Indian brands one by one as they come and go. So I got my hands on a few stuff for winter. Like they are all clothing pieces you can style during winter with all of your outfits that you have, and they are all of amazing quality. Like really, they are all great quality. So if this is something that interests you, without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. But again, before we do that, I have to remind you guys to give this video a thumbs up if y'all enjoy this particular video, and if y'all like my videos in general, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and that helps me out a lot. So let's get into the video now.
So we're gonna start off with this satin dress. It comes in this black color and there is this pattern in pink. This dress is super innovative and something like nothing I've worn before. The satin dresses I have worn either were in prints or like in a solid color. This one has a beautiful pattern and the pink and black goes so amazingly together. Like the instant I saw the dress, I was like, I have to get this one. The color is just about amazing and it feels super luxurious as well. The satin is very thick, has 2 layers in it. It's not something cheap looking at all. It's one of the best satin dresses in my closet till date. It has a square neck and square back, and the sleeves are super thin, wired cami sleeve, as in they look like a round tube or a wire, and that gives the dress a super sexy look. The fitting is really good as well. It'll fit you perfectly around your waist and your butt and is flowy from your hip. It kind of has a mermaid like look to it. It's a midi dress and it fits me a bit longer than a midi dress, but I absolutely love the length of it. It adds so much to my height. And it has a very tiny side slit to facilitate walking, so it looks and feels super classy. You can wear just this to your next party if you live in a place where it doesn't get very cold. But if it does get very cold, what you can do is layer the next trench coat. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love trench coats. Winter is my favorite season, and that's just because I get to wear a bunch of jackets, especially trench coats. And look at how stunning this trench coat is. Just wearing it makes you feel like $1 billion. Like, I'm not even joking. The length fits so perfectly on me. I'm a tiny girl and it comes just a little bit on top of my ankle. It's just a little bit shorter than the dress. From the inside as well, it looks very luxurious. It has a black layer to it. From the outside, the finish, the quality of the buttons, the color and the quality of the checks, and the belt that comes along with the jacket, everything is and looks of amazing quality. It's kind of a high neck trench coat, so you can put the buttons all up to your neck and it will look like a high neck coat. The buttons are of such good quality as well. It's made up of wool and the quality of the wool is so good. It's not itchy at all. It's super comfortable. The fitting is just perfect. Even though I love trench coats, they do sometimes tend to make me look a bit shorter and fatter than I am if it doesn't fit properly. But look at how amazingly this trench coat fits. The trench coat is super thick and it's gonna keep you super duper warm. You totally get what you pay for. Next up is this blue tracksuit. You can get the items shown separately as well, but I got them as a pair because I love tracksuits. This color has been trending highly this year. I'm like absolutely addicted to this blue. This sweatshirt and the sweatpant is made up of fleece cotton, so it will keep you warm but is at the same time super comfortable. The sweatshirt is a right fit sweatshirt. It's not an oversized sweatshirt, nor is it overly long. So if you want it to fit you a bit oversized, you might want to size up one size. But I really wanted to get myself a right fit sweatshirt because all the sweatshirts I own are oversized. The joggers are oversized joggers though, and I absolutely love them because joggers for me need to always be oversized. The jogger fits me right at my ankle. It is a bit longer but not so much that it looks unflattering or anything. Also, there's this amazing detail on the waist. You can turn and the tie is on the inside, so it will not look as if you have turned the elastic over or anything. It looks super gorgeous. So if you're a short girl like me, what you can do is lift the ribbon up and twist it over and tie the ribbon up. The joggers will be lifted a few inches and it will not look ugly either. An amazing winter staple at the price. Next up is this blazer and trouser set. I've been loving co-ord sets recently, so I really wanted to try this one out as well. The blazer fits me just amazingly. It's not an oversized blazer, it fits my shoulders and the length of my body just right. Even though I'm a shorty, blazers hardly ever fit me so good. I was so surprised and shocked when I wore this and realized how good it fitted me. So does the trouser. It's neither too tight on my hips and my waist, nor is it overly loose. They are both made up of the same clothing material. That is cotton twill. It's super soft and comfortable on the skin. It's not uncomfortable or itchy at all. The length of the trousers are surprisingly really good as well. Every tailored trouser usually fits me overly long. Even though this is a bit long on my leg, like you can see, I really like the fit of this one. Their structure is a straight fit. Even though they are both made up of cotton, they will protect you from cold. The blazer has a tiny slit at the very end of its back, which makes movement very easy on it. It's single-breasted and has one button. It's cinched on the waist and gives your body a structure. Quality seeps from every corner of this set. You get what you pay for. This is my first blazer and trousers set, and that too I got them in checkers and I absolutely love it. Next up is a super cute ribbed net bodycon dress. This one is made up of 100% stretchable cotton and it's so comfortable you could literally go to sleep on it. It has a tank top like structure and is a basic item that everyone should have in their closet. Even though it's not itchy at all, neither are you gonna sweat too much in this. It is gonna keep you pretty warm. There's also a side slit in it, so it will not be hard for you to walk in it. This too is a midi dress but fits me a little longer, but I don't complain at all. Even though I'm not very much into wearing bodycon dresses, this dress does complement my body. Next up is this round neck green sweater. This green is another color that has been trending a lot this season, and you know who doesn't love wearing a good green sweater for the winter season, right? I love the length of the sweater, also how it feels. The sweater isn't super thick, but it is very warm. It's very appropriate for the winter. It's made up of acrylic and is not itchy at all. This is another basic clothing piece for winter that you can take from day to night very easily.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. I'll link everything that I got below in the description box and you all can check that out and go shop from them. And yeah, let me know which of the pieces that I showed you you're gonna get. If you already have tried their brand out, do let me know that as well. And if you all have any other video suggestion, do let me know that and I'll definitely keep that in mind. And I'll see you guys in my next. Till then, take care, bye bye.